Welcome to My Skills, My Future. In this live session, we are going to discuss the previous year question paper of RRB Group D, which was held on 23rd August 2022 in shift 3. Okay, in this session, we are going to discuss some questions in the paper. Okay, right. See the question here. The value of the product sin 90 into sin 89 into sin 88 degrees into sin 87 so on up to sin 0 degrees. So, the value of the product, okay. So sin 90 degrees into sin 89 into, okay, sin 90 degrees into sin 89 degrees into sin 88 degrees into so on into sin 0 degrees is nothing but 0. We know the value of sin 0 is nothing but 0. So, product with 0, we get the result is equal to 0. Okay. So, option 1 is correct. Okay. Right. Next question. Right. See the question. Find the length of the side of an equilateral triangle if its area is 4 root 3 square units. Okay. So, we need to find the side of an equilateral triangle. They given area. Okay. So, we know the formula, that is area of equilateral triangle is, okay, area of equilateral triangle is area of an equilateral triangle is area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. Okay. So, we can simply write as root 3 by 4 into a square. A is nothing but side of an equilateral triangle. So, they given the area directly, okay, is equal to, they given 4 root 3, okay, 4 root 3. We need to find the side, nothing but we need to find the value of a. So, a square is equal to, we can write simply 4 into root 3, okay. So, into 4 by root 3, root 3 cancel. A square is equal to 4 into 4, 4 square, a is equal to 4, a is equal to 4. So, option 4 is correct, option 4 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. Right, the question is based on a proportion. If 18 is to 30 as 30 is to x, so then find the value of x. So, x is equal to 30 into 30 by 18. Okay. So, 33 is a 9. So, 900 by 18, 18 ones, 18 5 equal to 50. Okay. X is equal to 50. Option 1 is correct. Option 1 itself is correct. Okay. Right. Let's see the question here. A tank is filled in 4 hours. Okay. A tank is filled in 4 hours by 3 pipes A, B and C. Okay. A tank is filled in 4 hours by 3 pipes A, B and C. Okay. Pipe C is twice as fast as pipe B. Okay. So, pipe C is twice as fast as pipe B, and pipe B is twice as fast as pipe A. Okay. So, how much time will pipe A take to fill the tank? Okay. So, there are 3 pipes fill the tank in 4 hours, and they given the information pipe A, okay, sorry, pipe C is twice as fast as pipe B. Pipe B is twice as fast as A. So, let us take pipe A first is x. Okay, then according to the question, pipe B is twice. Okay, we can take as 2x. According to the question, pipe C is twice as fast as pipe C. Okay, right. So this is the given information. So we can convert it as time and work. Okay, so efficiency of A is x, efficiency of B is 2x, efficiency of C is 4x. According to question, type C is twice as fast as B, type B is twice as fast as A. Okay, right. Okay, if you see here question, okay, see, if you see that here the tank is filled in 4 hours. Okay, the tank is filled in 4 hours. Okay, that is nothing but we can consider as time. Okay, so total work nothing but filling of tank is equal to, okay, so work efficiency into time. So here all 3 pipes are worked, means x plus 2x plus 4x into 4. Okay, so time is given 4. So 7x into 4 we get 28x is the total work. Okay, 28x is the total work. So what is our question? How much time will pipe A take to fill the tank? How much time? So time is equal to total work by work efficiency. So total work is 28x. What is the efficiency of A? X. So x. So nothing but 28 hours. 28 hours. So option 2 is correct. So by using work time and work, we can solve the problem. Okay. So they given that 3 pipes filled in 4 hours, and they given the efficiency of pipes. Pipe B is twice as fast as pipe A. Pipe C is twice as fast as type B. So according to this, we can take total work is equal to work efficiency into time, that is 28x is the total work. So time to fill by type pipe A is total work by efficiency of A. So total work is 28 x by efficiency of A is x is cancelled. Total time to fill the tank with the help of type A. Okay, pipe A is nothing but 28 hours. Okay, right. Next question. Right, see the question. What is the least number added to 2488 so that it is completely divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so what is the least number that should be added to 2488 that it is completely divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6. So first of all, find the LCM of 3, 4, 5, 6. So we get the LCM 60. Okay, so we get the LCM, that is 60. Right. So just divide this number with 60. Okay, so 60, see 4s are 240. So 88 1s are, so 60 into 1 we get 60. Here the remainder is 28. So we need to find how much the number is added that is divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the LCM is 60. So how much should be added to the remainder that this number get to 60? So just 60 minus 28 we get 32. So just adding of 32 this number, so the number is completely divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so 32 is the answer. Option 1 is correct. Right, next question. So number series question is given. So the series are 8, comma 18, comma 38, comma 78, comma 158. See the series here. So 8 into 2 plus 2. So 8 into 2 we get 16, 16 plus 2 we get 18. Next 18 into 2 plus 2, 18 2s 36 plus 2 we get 38. Okay, next 38 into 2 plus 2. So 38 into 2 we get 76 plus 2 nothing but 78. 78 into 2 plus 2 we get 78 into 2 we get 156 plus 2 we get 158. See that 8, 8, 18, 38, 78, 158. So 158 into 2 we get 316, okay, plus 2 we get 318. So here the question 318 will come in the place of question mark. Okay, option 4 is correct. Right, next question. Okay, see the question. These type of questions are coming mainly. So what is question? If x plus 1 by x is equal to 4, then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to what is okay. So I am taking square. Okay, so x plus 1 by x whole square, nothing but we can take 4 square. So a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 2ab x cancel. Okay, so nothing but 16. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to 16. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 16 minus 2 we get 14. Okay, so here the value is 14. Okay, right. So or we can do directly. So considering this is as a, okay, so they given like this x plus 1 by x is equal to 4, then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to a square minus 2. Okay, a square minus 2. So this is nothing but we are taking as a. So 4 square minus 2 we get 16 minus 2 we get 14 directly. Okay, right. Option 1 is correct. Option 1 is correct. Next question. Right. See the question here. 2 power 3k minus 5 is equal to 4096. Okay, is equal to 4096. We know this is the number of a particular square. Okay, so first of all find that number is 4096. Just divide last two numbers. The number end with 6 as nothing but 4 squares end with 6 and 6 square ends with 6. So here 40 is lies between 6 square and 7 square. Okay, simply write here 6 and also here 6. So 40 is nothing but the number lies between 6 sevens 42. So the number is less than 42. So we can take the smaller number. Okay. So once again see here. So root 4096, the number first divide into two parts or divide last two numbers. So the number ends with 6 with 4 square or 6 square. Okay. So here 40 is lies between 6 square and 7 square, and it is lies after 6 square, means here 6, here 6. So and which number square is 4096, means 40. 6 sevens are 42. If the number is greater than 42, we go with big number. If the number is less than 42, we go with small number. So 6 sevens are 42. Okay, the number is less than 42. So we go with smaller number. Okay, right. See here, we can write as 64 square. So nothing but 64 is nothing but 2 power 6. So into 2, right. So 2 power 12. Okay. So directly, so 2 power 3k minus 5, 3k minus 5 is equal to 2 power 12. So then 3k minus 5 is equal to 12, 3k is equal to 17, k is equal to 17 by 3. So they given the question, find the value of k. So k is equal to 17 by 3. Option 2 is correct. Option 2 is correct. Next question. See, the following table shows the number of sofa sets sold by 4 salespersons in 3 different months. Okay, study the table and answer the question. This is the table that shows that salespersons have sold the sofas in 3 different months. Okay, right. What is the percentage contribution of Vishal's May sale in the total sale of May? So, what is the percentage contribution of Vishal's May sale? So, Vishal's May sale is 125. So, Vishal's May sale is 125. In the total of sales of May, what is the total sales of May? So, 125, 140, 188, 125. Okay. So, here 18 is there. So, 10 and see here 7, 10. So, 578. Is it correct? 6, 14, 17, 578. So, the total of sales in the month of May is 578. 578. Okay, right. So, this is what percentage, okay, what is the percentage of contribution of Vishal's May sale in the total? This is the Vishal's May sales and this is the total. So, we need to find percentage. Okay. So, if you do it, we get calculate, okay, we get the value. So, so see that here 125 is what percentage of 578. So, 578 is the total. So, we get 10% is 57, 20% is, okay, right, 16, 5, 14, 115. Okay, this is 20%. Okay, so 125. Okay, just add 1% to that 5 point something, 115.6. We get 5.78. We get 13, 121 approximately. So 21% is approximately value. Okay, so if you see that options 4 itself has nearer to the 21. So just by cancellation we get the value 21.6%. Okay, so just to do what is the approximation value of 125 in 578. Okay, approximation value of 125 in 578 is nothing but 21%. So directly seeing the option, we can click the 21%. Okay, right. Next question. Right, Madhu and Sinhi together complete a piece of work in 20 days. Okay, Sinhi and Rosie together can complete a piece of work in 12 days. Rosie and Madhu together complete the same work in 15 days. So Madhu and Sinhe complete the piece of work in 20 days. Okay, Sinhe and Rosha complete the piece of work in together same work in 12 days. Roshi and Madhu together complete the work in 15 days. So Madhu and Sinhe will complete in 20 days. Sinha and Roshi will complete in 12 days. Roshi and Madhu will complete the work in 15 days. Okay, right. So, or you can write like this: Madhu and Sinhe will complete the piece of work in 20 days. Sinha and Roshi will complete the piece of work in 12 days. Roshi and Madhu will complete the piece of work in 15 days. Okay. So, what is the question? In how many days will three of them complete together? Okay. So, see here, take the LCM. So, here Madhu and Sinhe complete the work in 20 days. Sinhe and wait, Madhu and Sinhe complete the piece of work in 20 days. Sinhe and Roshi complete the piece of work in 12 days. Roshi and Madhu complete the piece of work in 15 days. So, what is the LCM for these of 20, 12, 15? So, we get the LCM is 60. Okay. So, total units of work is 60. Okay. Total units of work is 60. Here we have Madhu and Sinhe, Sinhe and Roshi, Roshi and Madhu will complete have how many units of work is there? Sorry, we have two persons. Okay, simply take as 2 into m plus s plus r. So, we get what is the number that, okay. So, here total the work is 60, and here if you see that this can be completed 60 by 20 we get 3, okay. So, here we get 5 and here we get 2, okay, right. So, if you see that here 10 is there, so just divide Madhu plus Sinhe plus R is equal to 5, 3, and here we get 5 and here you get 4, okay, 4. So, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5 we get 12, okay. So, 12. So, m plus s plus r is equal to 12 by 2 we get 6. So, in each day they will complete 6 units of work, okay. In each day they will complete 6 units of work. So, total units of work is 60, in each day will complete 6 units of work. So, we get 10, okay. So, they require 10 days. So, option 4 is correct, option 4 is correct. So, once again see this, they given the information of Madhu and Sinhe and or Roshi and Madhu. So, we get the total units of work is 60, they will complete 3 units of work out of 60 that Madhu and Sinhe, 5 units of work will completed out of 60 in a day. Sinha and Roshi and Madhu will complete 4 units of work in a day. So, here m plus s, s plus r plus m, that is taking as 2 common. So, this is 12 units of work is completed with 2 persons. So, Madhu and Sinhe and Roshi will complete 6 units of work in a day. So, total units of work is 60, 60 divided by 6 we get 10 days. Okay. Option 4 is correct. Next question. Right. Find the roots of equation x square plus 11x minus 26. So, 26 we can write like 13 2s are 26, right? We can write plus 13x minus 2x. So, we get x is equal to here one value is 13 and another value x is equal to 2. Okay. So, which option are having minus 13 and 2? So, option 2 is correct. No need to do long method, just to see split the value 11x according to 1 into 26 13 1 into 26 26. So, 13 2 is 26, I am writing plus 13x minus 2x. So, So x is equal to alpha is equal to 13 and beta is equal to minus 2. Sorry, alpha is equal to minus 13, beta is equal to 2. We can write directly seeing the option, we can click the correct answer. Okay, right. See the question here. Rajiv's salary was first decreased by 40% and subsequently increased by 50%. How much percent did he lose from initial salary? So let us take Raju's salary is 100. So first is decreased by 40%. So decreased by 40%, the salary is goes up to 60. Then after increased by 50%. What is the 50% of 60? We get 30. Okay, so plus 30. Nothing but just add 30 to the 60. We get 90. Okay, so after decreasing in 100%, after decreasing 40% in 100, we get 60. After adding 50%, nothing but just add to the 50% to the 60, we get 90. So initially is 100 and right now 90. What is the difference? 10%. What is the difference? 10%. Option 3 is correct. Okay, so once again see here. So 100 is the initial salary, 40% decreases, the salary becomes 60. So just add 50% of this, so we get 90. So what is the difference from here to here? The difference is 10. So 10% loss is there. Okay, right. So see the question here. In a class of 17 boys, each scored differently. A's rank from the top is 9th. Okay, A's rank from the top is 9th. Okay, while B's rank from the bottom is 11th. Okay, B's rank from the bottom. Okay, from the bottom is how much? 11th. So C's rank from the top is better than A. Okay, C's rank is better than A, means C rank is less than 9. Okay, right. Better than A but worse than B. Okay, so find what is the B rank from top. Okay, so L plus or minus 1 is equal to total. So here they given the right hand value. So simply write here we get 17 and we don't know L value and they given 11th place minus 1. So from the left hand 17, okay, plus 1 minus 11, L is equal to 18 minus 11, nothing but 7th place. Okay, so B is 8th from top, A is 9th from top as we know in the question. Okay, so B is 8th from the top, A is 9th from the top. They given C is better than A and worse than B. We can here B is 7th from the top. B is 7th from the top. So according to question, C is better than A, worse than B, means only one place is pending, that is 8th. Okay, right. So once again see. So by using L plus or minus 1 we get the total. So I am taking from the top that is L 11. So we get a left side means 7th from the top. So we have the answer that is 8th. Okay, right. Option 2 is correct. What is the C's rank from the top is 8th. Okay, right. Right. See the question. The odometer of a car reads 12,000 kilometers at start of a trip and 12,800 kilometers its end. Okay, so if the trip took 4 hours, then average speed of a car in meters per second. Okay, so at the starting the kilometers is 12,000, at the end the kilometers is 12,800. So 12,800 minus 12,000, so we get the car travels 800 kilometers. Okay, the car travels 800 kilometers in 4 hours. So 4 ones are 4 twos are. So 200 kilometers per hour is the speed of the car, but they given in meters per second. So just multiply conversion kilometers into meter per second. Just multiply with 5 by 18. Okay. So 2 nines are 2 tens. Okay. So 500 by 9. So see the options in fractions. Okay. So 500 meter per second is the answer. So if you want to convert in meter per second, just multiply with 5 by 18. If you want to convert in kilometer per hour, just multiply with 18 by 5, you get the answer. So 500 by 9 meter per second is correct. Option 2 is correct. Okay. Right. So these are the some questions which are asked in RRB Group D. Okay, in this live session we discuss some questions only. In upcoming live sessions we are going to discuss some more questions in the same paper. Okay, if you want to see more videos like this, just subscribe our YouTube channel, My Skills My Future. Thank you for watching.